First of all, I don't like this shirt. I'm gonna change it. Just one. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. I just decided to do this little slick little bun back here. I'm not bun, but little ponytail thing. You know, it's swanking. First of all, I don't like this shirt. I'm gonna change it. Just one. All right. Changed my shirt because I didn't like that green one, and I just literally wear that shirt for work. But if you guys are feeling this look, let me know. I feel really weird, so I don't usually put my hair back and do little hairstyles and stuff, but if you guys want this look and see how I do this little ponytail and have my slick hair, because my hair is rough, like it doesn't ever want to slick back. But if you guys want this hair tutorial, let me know in the comment section below, and I'm probably gonna do it anyway, but just let me know if you guys actually want it. So yeah, I really like it. And my hair is growing so much. But let's get right into this video. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm gonna be doing an influencer unboxing video, and I'm so excited to get this Beauty 101 Bautyvoxbox. It's so pretty and yellow. It literally matches my water bottle. Look at this. But yeah, it is so cute, and I'm so excited to show you guys what's inside. So let's see what's inside. Alright, back to me. So it's really cute, and I'm excited to get and see and try it out, because I don't really have a lot of acne on my face or anything like that. I just get like a few bumps here and there, but other than that, like, this might work for something, you know. Alright, now for next in the box we have I'll just do this because, like, why not? So there's a Crest toothpaste in here. This is the Pro Health Gum and Sensitivity. This is an all-day protection and soft mint. So this is supposed to be anti-gingivitis and sensitive teeth. So I don't really have any sensitive teeth or anything like that. But, you know, if I can find a product that's going to make my teeth a little wider, why not? So this product, I actually love Crest because I use Crest when I brush my teeth and stuff, so I'm definitely a Crest lover. So I will definitely try this out and let you guys know how it is, and let me know if you guys want a video of me trying out all of the products in this box. Usually I just post the products, what I have, and I got the option to try them out. So, you know, I would love to try them out for you guys and let you guys know if these products are actually worth it. So yeah, that's number 2. Alright, and then so also in the box is a hairspray, but it's not hairspray, it's dry shampoo. This is the Eva and NYC Freshen Up Dry Shampoo. So it cleans without water, absorbs excess oil, and shampooing second revigorant, you know. So if you love your dry shampoo, this is actually a really cute little bottle to have, like travel size. It's so cute, and I believe you could just spray it on your hair whenever you need to. I'm not really a dry shampoo person. I just, you know, wash my hair, and if I need to get up and just go somewhere, I just like do my hair real quick. So I've never really had to use any of the dry shampoo or anything like that, but it definitely smells pretty good. It smells really fresh and inviting. So if you want to try this out, it's the Eva NYC one. Definitely go ahead and give them a shot. Or actually, let me just tell you guys their handles. So definitely Crest is at Crest on Instagram or Twitter or anything. Clinique is at Clinique. And then for this, it is at Hair NYC Freshen Up Dry Shampoo. So for the full size, it's actually $12. And then this is a weightless spray that cleans without water, absorbs excess oil, adds volume, and second day hair. So if you are doing your little twist outs or something and you're on your second day, 5th day hair, just use a little dry shampoo and it'll get you back to revitalizing beautiful curls. I've been wanting to try more masks, and thankfully I got a mask in my Vox box. So this is the peach slices, and the packaging is adorable. This is the peach slices hydrate time and plus morning calm flower sheet mask, and this is the time tested Korean ingredients. So this is definitely your Korean face mask that I'm definitely gonna try out. Like, I really want to do a video of you guys trying out all of these products, so let me know if you would like to see that. Give me a thumbs up. And yeah, so this is really cute. Peaches and peach slices. That's a really cute brand, peach slices. So if you want to know peach slices information, peach slices hydrate sheet mask. So original price is $2.49, and it's a pretty big little packaging. So they have the help instantly refresh and rejuvenate skin with intense hydration from antioxidant rich thyme and Chinese morning calm flower. Now that sounds really peaceful to me, and I think I need that in my life. So this is definitely the sheet mask, and I would definitely freaking try this out. And then last but not least, we have something from CoverGirl. Oh my gosh, I actually don't have a mascara right now, so I'm excited to get this in my box. Now this is the CoverGirl Lash Blast Volume. I don't think I've ever tried CoverGirl mascara. This is the one that I got in my box. I don't think this is the 800 Very Black, and I don't think I've ever tried any of the CoverGirl mascara. I usually go for the Max Factor, or recently I've had LA Colors, but I haven't had Maybelline CoverGirl. So I will definitely try this out for you guys and definitely let you guys know how it is. I love mascara. Honestly, I have some on right now, just a little bit. But mascara just makes my eyelashes pop so much where I don't even need lashes or anything. So I'm so excited to get this. So yeah, and then that's cool because you get just 5 products that you can use literally daily, and you really didn't have to pay anything for them. You got them complimentary from Influenster, and it's really amazing. And if you're interested to get products complimentary free from Influenster, all you have to do is sign up in the description box, or you know, just look up influenster.com and definitely just sign up. It's free, and you're able to be in the know about products that are coming out, and you get to get them for free. Definitely leave a review and let them know how you love the products and stuff like that. So if you're interested in getting free products from Influencer, make sure you definitely check them out down below. I'll definitely have the link to sign up. And yeah, so that's pretty much all in this beautiful little box. I'm so excited to try these products, and thank you guys so much for watching this video, and please stay tuned on my channel. Like, comment, and subscribe. Please stay tuned to my channel to see what I'm going to be uploading next. So yeah, thank you guys for watching this video, and I will see you guys in my next one. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe on videos that you will like me to do. And yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys. Bye guys.